Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Andi Ikram. I'm from Management Class 6B. Here I will explain about the country of Qatar. Qatar, officially, the state of Qatar is a country in West Asia. It occupies the Qatar Peninsula on the northeastern coast of the Arabian Peninsula in the Middle East. It shares its sole land border with Saudi Arabia to the southwest. The rest of its territory surrounded by the Persian Gulf, the Gulf of Bahrain, and an inlet of the Persian Gulf separates Qatar from nearby Bahrain. The capital is Doha, home to over 18% of the country inhabitants, and the land area is mostly made up of flat, low-lying desert. Qatar has been ruled is Qatar has been ruled as a hereditary monarchy by the House of Thani since Muhammad bin Thani stagnant an agreement, not a formal treaty with Britain in 1968. The recognized its status following Ottoman rule. Qatar became a British protectorate in 1916 and gained independence in 1971. The foreign emir is Tamim bin Hamad Al Thani, who holds nearly all executive, legislative, and judicial authority in autocratic manner under the Constitution of Qatar. He appoints the Prime Minister and Cabinet. The partially elected Consultative Assembly can block legislation and has a limited ability to dismiss minister. Qatar economic system. Qatar is a country economy that play the most important role in laying the foundation for prosperity in all aspect, political, social, and scientific. Thus, His Highness Sheikh Hamad bin Khalifa Al Thani and His Highness Sheikh Tamim bin Hamad Al Thani, Qatar's new emir, have put a great deal of effort into supporting the Qatar economy. Qatar has witnessed remarkable prosperity, especially in the last few years, with continued high GDP growth, grow in 2012, according to data issued by the International Monetary Fund. This is same body identifies Qatar as having the highest GDP per capita in the world. The EMF report mentioned that major investment, especially in the infrastructure project and increasing output in the industrial sector, will result in continued growth of the Qatar GDP. Qatar hopes to enjoy continued prosperity through the number of long-term export contracts that are now in place. Infrastructure-related construction activities pick up. As the demand supply situation in the real estate market converges and as the expatriate population increases, inflation will gradually increase from 3% in 2013 to 5% by 2016. Qatar is currency, the real is pegged to the as dollar. This is conducive the economic stability of the Qatar economy with the US dollar still a globally bankable and the for full currency having the dollar as a base is important in supporting Qatar's strong financial position and thriving banking sector. Qatar has made a great progress in the economic activity overseas trade, architectural development, and new infrastructure development. The Qatari economy is one of the fastest growing economic in the Middle East, and in that the world high growth rates have been maintained due to the high cost of hydrocarbon on the world commodity market. The price look set to remain reasonable, stable, while Qatar export of gas continue to increase. The growth of Qatar GDP has been absolutely astronomical. Total GDP in the year 2000 was 65 billion by 2012. This is figure had increased to 173 and rising. The majority of this increase comes from the rise in sales of liquefied natural gas (LNG). The emphasis for the country government is on the diversifying the economy so that other sectors, such as banking and finance, tourism, executive, education, and technology, make greater contribution to GDP. Bu- Business in Qatar. Starting a business in Qatar holds significant potential due to the country's strong economic, political stability, and investment friendly and environment. Qatar is one of the world's largest producers of natural gas. Business related to the exploration, production, and refining of natural gas and petrochemical product of substantial opportunities. What the preparation for the FIFA World Cup 2020 2022 and ongoing development plans, the construction and real estate sector are booming. Investment in infrastructure, housing, and commercial properties can be very profitable. Qatar is actively developing its tourist sector as part of economy diversification. Business in hotel, restaurant, and tourist service have bright prospect, especially with major international event taking place. Export and import. Export and import in Qatar are crucial to the country economic wide is one of the wealthiest in the world due to its natural gas and oil reserves. Here is an overview of Qatar export and import landscape. Export natural gas and oil. Qatar is one the large exporter of liquefied natural gas in the world. These exports are the backbone of Qatar economy. Petrochemical product. Qatar export petrochemical product such as the ethylene, polyethylene, and polypropylene. Aluminium. Aluminium product are another import export commodity with Qatalum being a major producer. Fertilizer. Qatar also export various types of fertilizer including R and ammonia. Major export destination Japan, South Korea, India, China, United Arab Emirates. Import goods including food, beverages, clothing, and electronic, raw material, construction material, machinery, and heavy equipment to support large infrastructure projects. Vehicles and spare parts, car, trucks, and other vehicular parts, chemical product, including industrial, chemical, and pharmaceutical. Major import for China, United States, Germany, Japan, United Arab Emirates. Trade policies. Qatar has policy the support international trade and project investment. The country is a member of the World Trade Organization (WTO) and participates in various regional and bilateral trade agreements. Infrastructure and logistics. For Hamad Port is the main port handling most of the export and import activities. Airport Hamad International Airport handle air cargo. Special Economic Zone Qatar has a special economic zone designed to attract foreign investment and support international trade. Business opportunity. One promising business or opportunity in Qatar is the food and beverage industry, especially opening a restaurant or cafe, a unique concept utilizing technology in the restaurant business, such as online ordering apps and restaurant management system can enhance operational efficiency and customer experience. Restaurant innovate wide concept like smart dining or contract dining can attract more customer. Example, concept for a successful restaurant in Qatar. Fusion restaurant combining culinary element from various countries to create a unique dining experience. Thematic restaurant, for example, restaurant-wide cultural themes or specific themes like move or history. Health cafes offering organic, gluten-free, vegetarian or vegan food and beverage. Thank you. I'm from Andi Ikram. Terima kasih.